mahaba yung limit ko, yung aking mga bisita. Diba? Sana wag na lumakas ang ulan. Ay, umuulan, umaambon. Yan. Mag-cable car kami. Ay, napakamahal naman pala ng ticket. Diyos ko, ngayon lang ulit ako bumibili ng ticket dito. Mahal pala. Daming mga Pilipinong turista. Bakit?
Extreme po, tas mainit sobra.
Oo
Sa
nga,
ibabaw ng bundok yung ano nga lang kita sa Disneyland lang
Oh, ang init no. Ang haba ng pila ng mga ano. Pero at least, hindi umuulan. So that's good. Dito, na-enjoy natin sanang nagmasyal kasi nasamahan ko sana kayo ng mainit.
No, what's that?
Dito dyan nga ako.
Parang ano na yan, no?
That's way too little for me, like 2 hours.
What are you doing? You can see the airport.
Wow, I don't know
There's the
that.
airport, there's the plane. The airport control.
I see it.
Gumano kayo?
They have these passing showers. Look, there's a walking path.
It's that's
Would you like to
beautiful.
hike this instead?
No.
Oh God,
It's picture tayo. Ayun na yung airport to. Malapit na.
Buddhas was
Ito yun po pala yung huli yung kita ni Mama Tita.
Oo.
yeah, so long, right?
You know, because it takes half an hour. And
We
she was so scared. Said, "Oh my God,
Really?
I'm going to die." You,
Where?
You go
She was
ahead,
scared. An old
stay
lady,
here.
an old
Right to the big pool that is the exit out there, then we go there, directly there, and then
Okay.
we see that huge thing. We can already see it. Why do we?
That's beautiful.
I don't understand. So water falls.
You see it?
Oh, thank you. She's gonna take a picture. Sierra, come. Put that out of your lap. There you go. Take a picture.
Say cheers!
Here, this way. Here.
There, mommy. I'm taking video of the rock falls.
Baby.
So cute.
Hi, Cookie. Ay, it's my sleeping
milk. Do you like
pills.
drinking milk?
Yeah, she does. I don't.
Why? Why you don't? You should drink milk.
I do drink milk, but it's not like I wouldn't drink milk.
How about boba? You like
I've
that?
never drank boba in my life.
Why? You don't like it too?
I've never drank it. They want. Yeah.
Okay, maybe your mom will make you try it now.
It's very sweet. I think you'll like it.
I think it's unhealthy.
At least one.
Picture mo yun nga.
Not too much sweet, or that's very unhealthy.
Exactly.
Or one sweet.
I
That's
agree with
So
you.
really finish the hike. Wow.
Well, from here we have to walk up there.
No, we don't. Look.
Yeah.
think-
Well, if you don't want to go up the steps, we can wait at the bottom. Find a little cafe and then we'll meet you after.
Let's see.
We are here.
Okay, you guys can find a cafe and me and Mom will go.
That's too weird.
I'm into it. It's not that. You guys.
Tapos ito yung pabalik. Pagka ano, sa mga volunteer sa YMCA. Ala, maitim na naman ang ulap.
Saan yung people? Ayun.
Ayun pa, doon pa. Nandito pa lang sa village. Prosperous. Tapos, success, fortunes, health, and luck. Naman. Ang cute
May
naman.
nakita nga po ako may nakita nga po kami.
Kasi doon ka matututo yung maligaw ka. Yung maliligaw ka. Ay, big Buddha. Bures. Para ano. Malamig siya ngayon. Hindi siya mainit. Hindi tunaw ang aming makeup. Ito lang pala. Sa Big Buddha. Kasi?
Dito, dyan. Dito, dyan.
Diyan. Ang ganda ng Big Buddha.
Wait lang, padaanin ko lang. Smile! Tingin dito. 1, 2.
You can see the head. Tricycle, puro ano jeep. It's so foggy. Ay, wow, look at that. Yung lotus. Nice. Ay, ang ganda ng bulaklak. Na-open pa yung ano. Kasi yung open na siya. Parang gabi. Malapit na. Kaya pa?
Buti na lang, di sumama si Papa.
Pag sa legs. Selfie tayo, tita. Almost there! Look at the Big Buddha. Talagang ano, kahit na ganyan makulimlim, maganda ang ano. Clear pa rin siya. Ang Big Buddha. Ang ganda. Do not toys coins. Ayun, ang Buddha. Ang laki. Hala. Naambun na.
Charot, hindi pala.
Hindi.
Stanley pala yung ocean.
Parang reservoir ni Discovery Bay yan. Ah. Ang galing.
Ay, yun na yun. Ikot na.
Bye-bye Big Buddha. Siguro matatagalan na naman ako makarating dito. Bumalik dito pala. Siguro years na naman. Meron pang ang ano, umiiyak na deer. Oh. Ayun yung tawag nilang crying deer. Marunong talaga. Ganda ng waterfalls. Para kang ano, sarap ng hangin ng ano.
Kung sa airport, tinabunan mo.
Tinabunan lang yan. Toy.
walang ganun.
Awan. Ay, walang tao dun. Hi. So, nandiyan, yan lang. So, imaginein mo yan, ang daming tao pag nag-vlog yan. Daming tao yan.
Ayun o, kaya pala pink yung daanan.
So, yan lang ang ano. After that, wala